Sup, motherfuckers? I'm the biology bitch. I'm gonna learn you something about biology today. And really, the fuck is biology? You know what it is? It's just fucking life. Okay? You know, it's you, it's me, it's fucking sharks. Really anything that, like, lives and breathes and uses energy to reproduce. Basically, if it's fucking, sexually or asexually, it's alive. That is the meaning of life. So, there's a wide range to biology, but don't freak the fuck out. I'm gonna break it down for you. We're gonna start off with the kingdoms. There's a motherfucking animal kingdom. And you can tell it's an animal because if you can see it, it eats, sleeps, shits, fucks, just like us. It's an animal. We are dirty animals. Next, we're gonna move on to the plant kingdom, which is like motherfucking flowers and shit. Now, plants, they're like the wizards of the sun. They use motherfucking photosynthesis to use energy from the sun to live. And why can't we do that shit? We can't. So instead, we eat the fuckers and show them who's boss, because they can't be cooler than us. And the next coolest thing to plants, I mean, they're not visually cool because you can't fucking see them, but it's called bacteria. Now, bacteria are tiny motherfuckers. They're only like one fucking cell. But, it's okay, because they can be very helpful to us sometimes. They help us digest our food. They help us grow plants and do a bunch of other shit. Sometimes they don't do anything. Sometimes they make us shit our pants. Actually, our shit is about 80% bacteria, which is fucking crazy, but whatever. Bacteria is kind of cool, but it's really gross, too. We're gonna get into that later. Now we're moving on to the fungus kingdom. And that's good. That's like mold and shit. You can tell it's mold if you bring me in a fucking room and I sneeze. Shit sucks. It's also like mushrooms and shit. Don't do shrooms until you're at least 20. Anyways, mushrooms are kind of cool because they're really colorful and shit. Sometimes you can eat them, sometimes they kill you instantly. So I wouldn't risk it unless you're a trained professional. Like myself. No, I'm not. Don't trust me. I don't. Anyways, we're gonna stop talking about mushrooms. The last thing we're gonna talk about is fucking protists. Basically, anything that's alive and doesn't fit in the kingdoms I just talked about is a fucking protist. Because why the fuck not? It's like, what the hell is an amoeba? It's like, not an animal, but it's like an animal. But it's not, and it's tiny, and it does weird shit. So they're just like, I don't know where to put this, so I'm just gonna make a new kingdom. So that's what they did. Alright, so those are basic kingdoms of how life is organized. But biology is a little bit more than life, even though I told you it's like, basically life. But anyways, there's a wide spectrum to biology. There's the medical side of it, and the ecology side of it. Medical side of it is basically like finding weird shit about biology and trying to fix it. Particularly about us, but veterinarians too. Bullshit like that. Smart people. Way too much smart. I should know. Anyways, then there's this shit in the middle, which is kind of what I talked about, cells, and all that fun stuff. We'll get to that later. But then there's ecology. And ecology is basically like the life shit that's not alive that makes you live. Like, have you ever met a bitch who has never drunk water before? This shit doesn't happen. You need water, even though water's not alive. And like, you're walking on dirt, you're living in a house, you go outside and I get fucking sunburned when I look at the sun. But hey, you know, shit happens. But those are non-living things that have an effect on life. And just like you need non-living things to live, you need to know these non-living things to understand life or biology. So, we'll have another episode on that. But now I'm gonna get back to cells. Cells, they're fucking like the magical building blocks and Legos of these masterpieces. make up those organisms. And it can get kind of complicated, but kind of simple too. Anyways, I'm gonna do my next episode on that. Everything is cells. Like you, me, fucking sharks, apples. All that shit. Cells are delicious. Hey, what did the one cell say when he stubbed his toe? Mitosis! Alright, I'll see you bitches later.